Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, I went shopping a little bit. Well, I didn't really go shopping. I just picked up a couple of stuff. Don't we love stuff? Anyway, let's see what I got. So clearly I moved, you see. Yeah, I'm working on the living room. It's gonna be fire. Just wait on it. Anyways, guys, I picked up this this record because I'm going to do a music thing in my living room with the whole record player. The little records on the wall and stuff. So I got this Nirvana album because your girl is a fan. You feel me? And also got that tattoo just now. But anyway, and also I will be learning French. So I did get this book here, and it's pretty much basically the basics of French. Oh shit. And also I need to hurry up a little bit, but yeah, I got this sketchbook because I did start drawing a couple months back, and you just need like a little sketchy book, because why the fuck not, right? And also I got some highlighters because I didn't have any highlighters. So I just picked up a yellow one and a pink one because you just need a highlighter or two. And then yeah, so also I got this poster. It's Sublime. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the wall over there. And it was like 8 something at Spencer's. And it was the last one. That's crazy, right? Also, I picked up this hat because I'm weird as shit. Y'all know I'm weird. But anyway, this hat is so fire. So I got it. Got a little extra. Let me hurry up. This is so random. It's pink, and I was just like, I need this. So I got it. And also, I got some earrings. Because why the fuck will we not need earrings, guys? We need those things. Also, guys, I picked up this shirt because, yeah, real cute, real tea. Last but not least, I got this little thing too because, you know me. Yeah, how was everyone feeling? I did not need this, but I picked it up because why the fuck not, right? What else? Last but not least, well, actually, this is the last place I'm at. They should be sponsoring me because I love that store. I got these 2 bracelets. They say weirdo or something on it. And I saw this shirt walking in. I was like, I have to have it. So it's a Metallica shirt. I got it super large because why? Why would I not? Amazing. We love that. Also, I got some more earrings. These are so cool. I do not have this type of mixture, so yeah. And I also got this green fingernail polish because I get bored sometimes and I want to, do my own nails, and it has a skull head on it and it's really fucking tea, so yeah. But yeah, if you guys like that that YouTube short, this little video right here, y'all know what to do. Thumbs up. Okay.